This is Tim here from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install TikTok on your Android phone. So if you go to the Google Play Store, TikTok is on your phone. So we can just go to the Google Play Store. This is what it looks like. It might be in your Google folder. So let's go here and then go to search. So let's go get started. Skip this. No thanks. Not now. Now you might see TikTok on the top of the page here because it's probably one of the most popular apps, but we can go to search, type in TikTok here, TikTok, and then search for it, and we can download and install it to our phone really easy. So if you don't find it there, you can try searching for it under your app selection, but here it is. Here's TikTok. Install it, open it up, and there it is. So here's TikTok. Now if you want to get this on your home screen, you can just swipe up, locate TikTok somewhere in here, hold down on this, go to add to home screen, and here's TikTok. And we can just bring this to a different location now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.